This week, we're going to be talking about SMED. And no, SMED isn't a type of fish like a salmon or sea bass or smelt. SMED stands for single minute exchange of die, and sometimes it's just simply called quick changeover. SMED is a lean tool that can be implemented to reduce changeover times. And by doing so, it can transform your factory's results to new heights of performance. I love leading changeover projects because they're always so rewarding and they're beneficial in so many ways. SMED promotes teamwork and employee engagement. Operators benefit from SMED by having less stress and fatigue during the changeover process because changeovers after SMED are more robust and the ramp up is much more stable. Customers benefit because as your company becomes more flexible, you're able to meet their demands more efficiently. And you see, from a customer's perspective, the ideal order quantity is just one piece. They don't really care about the impact of a changeover and what it does to your process. They just want their stuff when they want it. And if they want one widget this afternoon, then they want you to change over to get it to them by 4 o'clock. So by being more responsive to production orders, this benefits your customers. And you can only do this by either carrying more finished good inventory, which is expensive, or be more efficient at changeovers. Your company benefits from SMED because faster changeovers can result in more frequent changeovers. Thus, the company can actually lower finished good inventory levels. Otherwise, faster changeovers can result in higher output and lower labor costs and more capacity. Also, being able to respond faster to the ever-changing needs of your customers gives your company an advantage in the market. You see, it doesn't matter how long your changeovers currently take, whether it only takes 30 minutes or 24 hours. What matters really is how much of a business impact that these changeovers have for your company. If changeovers are having a negative impact to your current or potential performance, you'll definitely want to make improvements and reduce changeover times for your company.